Come on. What's up guys, welcome back for another video. Today we are going to be celebrating Nugget's 2nd birthday. Yes, I'm that kind of dog mom who goes a little bit too extreme, not that extreme, but a little bit, you know, there's an effort to celebrating a dog's birthday. We are going to be transforming a part of my room into a birthday pictorial for little Nugget. I know that he doesn't understand the concept of birthdays and pictorials and celebration, but you know, I'm doing it for me. We are celebrating Nugget's 2nd birthday and I bought 2 ice creams. This one is peanut butter and this one is bacon flavored. So it comes with these packs, powder packs, and then you're just supposed to add water, freeze it for 5 hours, and it's puppy ice cream that's safe for dogs. Okay, let's try this ice cream. Ice cream turns to sheep. Gusto niya nadilaan? What is this ice cream? A little bit excited about what happened with the transformation. I think it's pretty good. I think this is everything that I've hoped for, I guess. I've been planning this for like 2 weeks now and I'm really happy about how this turned out. So let's head out to food. First of all, I got some ice cream. Also got some popcorn that you're going to microwave at the lowest level of heat for 55 seconds because I apparently set it to medium and it burnt. So this is what it looks like. The insides are still okay, still edible. Okay, Nugget is here. Everything is prepped. It's time to sing happy birthday. Even though he doesn't understand it. So that's going to be fun. Wait lang, wait lang, wait. Nugget, wait. Wait. Hi. May utot Nugget. Umutot ka ba? Oh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Nugget! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nugget! Blow. Hingahan mo dali. Oh, yay! Popcorn! Gusto niya popcorn! Ready? Tigat? Ay, marunong na. Ay! Sarap! Approve! Gawa natin! Dapat may Christmas. Tapos, Christmas nga. It's so hot today, that's why he's hugging a bottle of ice. And he's sleepy because he ate 1.5 cupcakes. That's a lot. Haven't tried the ice cream yet. We will try it later today after dinner because apparently you need 5 hours to let it cool before you give it to the dog, so it's gonna take some time. So far the popcorn is okay. Cupcakes, surprisingly good. If you want to know how to make cupcakes, I made a video. You can click over here and the iCard somewhere over there, or check it in the description box below. I will link it there. So see you after dinner for the ice cream test. Ooh, bacon wings! Okay. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. This is the most extra that we can get, especially during lockdown. I'm super happy that Nugget loved the Pupcake. I added extra peanut butter just in case. Nugget doesn't really like those store-bought Pupcakes, so I was a little bit afraid that he might not want Pupcakes in general, but I'm really glad he liked it. He ate like 1.5 Pupcakes, and I'm going to stop him there because he's going to go overboard and might get fat. Really happy about the popcorn as well. He didn't finish it all, but I'm probably going to say it's not worth it for that price with that amount. And honestly, I tried one and it's kind of like chicharron, but with a bitter aftertaste after it, so I don't know. Anyway, here is Nugget. He is now very sleepy after eating so much cupcakes. So that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye!